Good day everyone, this is BG Soriano and welcome to today's special report. For our topic today, we will be discussing something that we encounter almost every day. Whether we are watching a movie, attending a concert, listening to music, or even sitting inside a classroom. Our topic is entertainment, technology, and real-world synthesis. In this presentation, we will explore how light and sound technologies work, where they are used, and why they are important in our everyday lives. So, let's turn the spotlight on and start our report. Let's move on to the second slide, light and sound in entertainment. Now, let's begin with two important elements of entertainment, light and sound. Light makes performances more visually exciting. It helps us see the performers, create different moods, and make a simple performance feel much more dramatic. Meanwhile, sound provides the music, voices, and sound effects that we hear during a performance. Imagine watching a concert with no lights and barely any sound. It would definitely feel very different. So, light and sound work together to make entertainment more engaging and enjoyable for the audience. Basically, light affects what we see, while sound affects what we hear. For example, during a concert, colorful stage light can highlight the performers, while microphones and speakers make sure their voices and music can be heard by the entire audience. This shows how technology improves the overall entertainment experience. For the third slide, microphone and speaker. Now, let's focus on one of the most familiar sound technologies, the microphone and speaker. A microphone captures sound and converts it into an electrical signal. That signal can then be processed and sent to a speaker. The speaker performs the reverse process. It converts the electrical signal back into sound, allowing people to hear it. To make it easier to understand, think of it as a process. Sound into microphone, and that sound becomes electrical signal, and the electrical signal goes to the speaker, and the speaker produces sound. For example, when a singer sings into a microphone during a concert, the microphone captures the singer's voice. The signal is then sent through the sound system, and the speakers reproduce the sound so the audience can hear it clearly. This technology is also useful in classrooms, meetings, announcements, and public events. Next is the fourth slide, which is the application. So, where are these technologies actually used? Microphones and speakers are commonly used in concerts, schools, recording studios, and public events. Their main purpose is to make sounds clear and audible to audiences. For instance, in a school program, the microphone allows the speaker or performer to be heard even by the students sitting at the back. In concerts, speakers distribute music and vocals across the venue. And inside the recording studios, microphones are used to capture sound for music and other audio productions. This tells us that microphones and speakers aren't only used for entertainment, they are also important tool for communication and education. Whenever we need sound to reach a larger audience, these technologies help make that possible. And that concludes our first part of the report, where we introduce entertainment technologies and explore the role of light, sound, microphones, and speakers. But our discussion doesn't stop there. There are still more technologies to discover and understand. For now, this is BG Soriano reporting, and that wraps up this part of our report. Now, moving on to our next segment, Sofia Salas will be taking over. Sofia, take it away.
Thank you, PG. And now we continue our special report by turning our attention to two technologies that are essential in presentation, performances, and entertainment: projectors and stage lighting. These technologies may look simple from the audience perspective, but behind every clear image and a well-lit performance is technology designed to control and direct light. Let's take a closer look at how these two technologies work. First on our report, the projector. So, what exactly is a projector? A projector is an optical device that uses light and lenses to magnify images and cast them onto a large screen. But how does it work? A bright light shines through an image source or image chip, then lenses then focus and enlarge the light, allowing the image to appear clearly on a screen. In simple terms, a projector takes a relatively small image and uses light and lenses to display it much larger. We commonly see projectors in classrooms, movie theaters, offices, and presentations. For example, when a teacher displays a lesson on a large screen, the projector allows everyone in the room to see the information clearly. Projectors are also used to show movies, presentations, and educational videos. So, whenever we see a large displayed image on a screen, there's a good chance the projection technology is working behind the scenes. Now, from projecting images, we move to another important use of light: stage lighting. Stage lighting refers to a carefully controlled light used to illuminate a performance space and shape its overall look and feel. But stage lighting isn't simply about making the stage brighter. The brightness, volume, and direction of the lights can all be adjusted depending on what is happening during the performance. For example, warm colors can create a cheerful or energetic atmosphere, while cooler colors can create a different mood. Stage light can also focus attention on a particular performer or part of the stage. Its purpose is to make performers visible, create atmosphere, and add dramatic effects. So, the next time you watch a concert or a school performance, remember, the lighting isn't just decoration. It is part of the technology that helps create the experience. Now let's put these technologies side by side. Our comparison shows technologies and identifies whether they are primarily involve light or sound, along with their important properties. First, we have ultrasound. Ultrasound uses high-frequency sound waves that can reflect off tissues and produce real-time images. Its property is refraction. Next is the endoscope, which uses light, a camera, and a thin tube to help doctors view internal areas of the body. Its important property is illumination. Then we have laser surgery, which uses a focused beam of light to precisely cut or treat tissues. Its property is a concentrated beam. Finally, we have microphone, which deals with sound. It converts sound waves into electrical waves for recording or amplification. Its property involves sound conversion. This comparison shows us that light and sound aren't limited to entertainment. They can also be applied to important fields such as medicine and communication. Now let's answer an important questions. Why are these technologies important? The answer is simple. They make many activities in our daily lives more effective, accurate, and engaging. In medicine, like light and sound technologies help doctors diagnose diseases, perform accurate treatments, and reduce the need for some invasive procedures. Technology involving light and sound can help medical professionals see, examine, and understand what is happening inside the human body. Meanwhile, in entertainment, these technologies provide clearer images, better sound quality, and more engaging performance for the people to enjoy. Well, that's all for projector and stage lighting. Let's move on to the key takeaways. Go take the wheel, Rian.
Thank you for that, Sophia. Before we move forward, let's review what we've learned.
Light and sound are not simply things we see and hear. They are forms of energy with physical properties that can be used in technology. Did you know? Sound travels much slower than light. That's why we see lightning before we hear thunder. Key takeaways. What is sound and light in medicine? Sound used in ultrasound imaging to safely visualize internal organs and developing babies. While light used in endoscopy and laser surgery to enable minimally invasive high-precision procedures. And entertainment. Sound. Microphones and speakers capture, amplify, and reproduce clear audio, while light, projectors, and stage lighting deliver high-definition visuals and immersive live experience. Core takeaway. These unique physical properties of light and sound continue to advance medical care safety while making entertainment more engaging and interactive. Our exit reflection. We are thankful for light and sound technologies because they improve modern medicine, make communication easier, and make everyday learning and entertainment possible.
That's all for our video. Thank you for watching.